mesmerizing. You've seen this before, right? One of Yayoi Kusama's infinity rooms. Did you know these were actually part of a long history of her infinity net paintings? Kusama's work is a direct representation of the hallucinations, mental illness, and aversion to sex she has experienced throughout her life. For Kusama, art making became an essential survival mechanism, and her use of dots a manifestation of this effort. She is frequently quoted saying, "I am just another dot in this world." She defines her work as hypnotic, and invites the viewer into her mind. For the viewer, these become an organic and captivating experience, while for Kusama, these pieces are her own form of therapy. Yayoi takes the therapeutic aspect even further by inserting herself into this piece, literally on top of an object that represents a manifestation of her sexual aversion. Kusama attempts to subvert her own discomfort and, in effect, to conquer it. While provocative, the signature polka dots across her skin is a reminder of how she sees herself and everyone else in the world. Kusama's infinity net paintings develop into these interactive experiences, literally putting you in her paintings, visions, and mind. Kusama says, in the universe, there is the sun, the moon, the earth, and hundreds of millions of stars. All of us live in the unfathomable mystery and infinitude of the universe. Yayoi Kusama's use of dots is her own representation of the collective connection in the universe. There cannot be just one dot.